This is section 3, in which we shall explain how to select a ladder for a specific purpose. Basically, a selection is made on how high you need to climb and what you want to do. For example, if you intend painting a wall or a ceiling, your selection of ladder would be a step ladder. However, if you need to get onto a roof, you would probably need an extension ladder. One obvious consideration in selecting a ladder is its length. Using a ladder that is too short will generally result in a fall. Selecting a ladder that is too long can also get you into trouble. As a general rule of thumb, select a ladder that, when set up to the correct angle, will provide 3 rungs beyond the place or position where you need to be. By way of example, a ladder that is being used to reach a roof or a platform onto which you must climb must be of such a length that at least 3 rungs extend beyond the upper point of support. If you have to work from the ladder, then select a ladder that is long enough to permit you to stand on any rung below the 3rd rung from the top in order to do your work. The next consideration is the material from which a ladder is made. If your work involves maintaining electrical installations, you must use a ladder that meets the specifications for electrical work. Only wooden and fiberglass ladders can meet these specifications. You should also use a wooden or a fiberglass ladder if you are going to be working with electrical power extensions whilst on the ladder. Metal ladders are suitable for any work that does not involve electrical apparatus. Ladders of all types may be factory fitted with certain accessories. For example, if you have to set up against a pole, you will need a ladder that has been fitted with an accessory called a pole rung. Pole rungs are designed to hold the top of a ladder steady against cylindrical surfaces, such as electrical poles or light poles, for example. If you place a straight rung against a cylindrical surface, the ladder will be unstable. Slippery or polished floors can present a problem with ladders. This problem can be overcome by using a ladder that is fitted with safety feet. Notice that these feet have heavily grooved surfaces and that the foot section swivels. In action, aided by the downward forces through the rails, the feet grip firmly onto the surface because the full surface of the foot remains in contact with the ground. Yet another device is the spike foot. The spikes penetrate the ground surface and effectively anchor the rails firmly. To summarize, select the correct ladder length to allow at least 3 rungs above our working position, or 3 rungs beyond the upper support point of a roof or platform. Always select a ladder that meets the standards for electrical insulation where applicable. Further, always select a ladder that has been fitted with suitable accessories, such as safety feet, when working on slippery surfaces.